Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadia Roots, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my blowout. So it was time for me to trim my hair, and I find it a lot easier whenever my hair is blown out so I can see those dead ends and I can cut them. Now, the heat protectant that I used blowout was the Creme Nature Heat Protector Smooth and Shine Polisher. So this is from their Argan oil from Morocco. So it looks like this. And I'll leave the description of this down below. And the blow dryer that I used was the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Ooh. And it's basically a paddle brush blow dryer. This is how it looks. It's pretty bulky. I wish it was a little smaller, but it's okay. It has 3 settings, the cool, low, and high setting. And I find myself, I usually use the low or high setting. The cool setting, I use it after all my hair is blown out, and I just go through my hair in the cool setting. The high setting does get hot. I will say that it gets hot enough where you can't even touch this part of the blow dryer. So I usually try to keep my hands right here where it's cool. And also, when it is on the high setting, you can see the steam like coming out from the brush, which is kind of scary because us natural, we're all scared of getting heat damage. But as long as you're protecting your hair with a heat protectant and not, constantly applying heat to one section of your hair, you should be fine. What else? Now, the only thing I wish this blow dryer did would have a vent all throughout the brush. Now, the vent is only on the top part, so whenever I'm using it to do a blowout, I find myself having to use it this way, so the heat can get from the root to the ends of my hair. Now, without further ado, let's get started on this video. Okay, so I have my hair sectioned off, so I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner from the Eden's Body Work Coconut Shea line and apply that through that section of my hair. Alright, so here I'm just taking my denim brush and detangling this section of my hair, just making sure it's tangle free so when I start to begin my blowout, it won't get stuck or caught in any knots or anything. Alright, so now I know I dropped it. I had slippery fingers. My hands were slippery. Okay, it's alright. So I'm just going to go with my Creme of Nature Heat Protectant, and I'm just going to apply that through that section of my hair, making sure to get each strand, make sure it's coated, because don't nobody have time for no kind of heat damage. Yeah, so I went in and added a little bit more heat protectant. Yeah, guys, I'm scary. I don't want no heat damage. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going in with my Revlon hair dryer and styler and just brushing this one section of my hair, just trying to get it as straight as possible. I'm not worried about it being too straight, but I just need it straight enough where I can see what ends I need to chop off. Okay, y'all, so I know it looked like it's snowing in my bathroom, but it's really not. That's just leftover hair product that was left on a brush that I thought I got rid of, but apparently there was still some in there, but oh well. It did not get on my hair, so I'm cool with it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same step throughout the whole section of my hair. Alright, so this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up it if you liked it. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.